An estimated 70% of all medical decisions are informed by in vitro diagnostic test results. Our Gaithersburg, US site is dedicated to ensuring the quality and standardization of these crucial assays by developing and manufacturing the highest quality reference standards, validation materials, and immunoassay reagents. Located in a major biotech hub, our world-class R&D team develops cutting-edge solutions for the most pressing IVD assay development, validation, and quality control challenges. Collaborating with our manufacturing team to provide the utmost quality at every step, we quickly deliver both custom and off-the-shelf products to customers around the globe.
Here at LGC's Clinical Genomics Center of Excellence, we develop and manufacture our class-leading sericic NGS reference standards. These standards come in a variety of formats for applications from cancer to non-invasive prenatal testing, inherited diseases, and viral genotyping. We also develop and produce a proprietary Acuplex recombinant virus material. These recombinants are safe to handle and non-infectious, but resembles the complexity of viral targets found in clinical samples.
Our mission is to ensure that patients get the right test results no matter where they are. Therefore, quality is at the heart of everything we do. We're certified to ISO 13485, and we operate under the FDA's GMP requirements.
We work with assay developers at pharmaceutical companies, in vitro diagnostic companies, and clinical laboratories developing controls, standards, and reference materials. These assays are used in clinical genomics to help select the right treatment for the right patient. In addition, we have been selected by pharmaceutical companies to develop these materials to ensure the quality and the robustness of the assays around the world. In fact, these assays help shorten the development time of clinical research trials. In times of global healthcare crisis like the recent Ebola and Zika outbreaks, we work very closely with IVD manufacturers using our recombinant Acuplex technology to develop safe and effective reference materials for these assays.
We know that the quality of patient care depends on the quality of diagnostic testing. Everything we do in Gaithersburg and our sister sites in Milford and Cumberland Forside is driven by a passion for excellence and the knowledge that our work helps scientists and doctors as they help people worldwide. LGC, science for a safer world.